This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious coleslaw step by step. Begin by prepping vegetables. Shred cabbage and carrots finely and mince onion into small pieces for even texture. Mix dressing in a separate bowl, tasting as you go to adjust vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Toss vegetables with dressing just before serving to keep crunch and chill briefly if you prefer a colder salad. Start with clean tools and a stable cutting board to make prep simple and safe. Trim cabbage cores and have heads for easier shredding, then cut carrots into matchsticks or grate for faster blending with cabbage. Use a bowl large enough to mix without crushing vegetables, and chill your serving bowl if you like a colder presentation. A little prep saves time and ensures evenly textured, crisp coleslaw every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes and food blogs while I cook. It makes following steps easy and hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare a balanced dressing by starting with a creamy base, then add vinegar or lemon for tang, sugar for subtle sweetness, and salt to enhance flavors. Whisk thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and slightly glossy, then taste and tweak with mustard or a splash of water if too thick. Pour gently over shredded vegetables and toss evenly so every bite has the right balance of creaminess and crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.